Hey guys, my name is Taya and today we are gonna make our windows look amazing. First things first, download all of the files in description and follow my instructions. I have all files already installed and stored in this downloads folder. Once you downloaded all the files, open Rainmeter or installation file and install Rainmeter software. Once installed, unload all default skins. When our Rainmeter start setup is done, second thing we are gonna extract and load is Rainmeter skin called Big Sur. Open the zip file and load both of the skins into Rainmeter. Now Big Sur setup window should pop up on your desktop. Disable use wallpaper and set your time and weather format. Click Apply Theme. Select the left layout. And boom, our brand new Big Sur Windows widgets are on our desktop. Hit the plus icon. In Widgets tab, we have a tons of options of widgets. You can set it up just like you want. Looking good. When we finish setup of our Big Sur Rainmeter skin, we are gonna load another skin called Droptop 4. Once loaded, hit continue. Select your language. Select Always Show Droptop. Set your weather location. Select between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Set home button you like, and choose small drop-down bar. Hit continue. Choose color match. Click Finish Setup. You can go through tutorial tour if you want to, but we gonna skip that for now. To make our desktop and our Droptop bar look even more sharp, we gonna set a new wallpaper which is in description along with other files. Right-click on our wallpaper file and choose Set in Desktop Background. It's starting to look really amazing. But that's still not it. If we want our desktop to look even more amazing, we have to own Wallpaper Engine. It's unnecessary step, and if you don't own one, just skip to this timestamp. But if you do, you will find Steam Workshop link to this Wallpaper Engine wallpaper in description. We are slowly getting to finish of our desktop/PC UI customization. By the way, if you watched all the way here, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, it means a lot. Right-click on your Droptop taskbar and select Droptop Settings. By this, we can unpack customization menu of our Droptop 4 taskbar. You can play around with all the settings and set it just like you want. When you're done with customizing your Droptop taskbar, right-click on your Windows taskbar and choose Taskbar Settings. In Taskbar Settings menu, set everything just like I did. When you're done, close the Windows taskbar settings and right-click once again on our Windows taskbar and select Links. Grab the left links window and pull it all the way to left side of your taskbar and then center it. When you're done, right-click again on your Windows taskbar and select Lock All Taskbars. And boom, we done. Look at that. Isn't it amazing? I think it is. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and by the way, big Steam gift card giveaway is coming on 1000 subscribers. Goodbye and see you on the next one. Day out.